All right, Callie Rose here. It's our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're giving the chord melody stuff a break. And we're going to do obla di, obla da, because we're going to look at some strum patterns that we can do playing fast. And this is fast, 180 beats per minute. So let me show you one of my tricks. It's the old thumb where I'm catching the G string, and then I'm flicking down with my other 3 or 4 fingers. Well, the baby fingers along for the ride. This is mostly the index, middle, and the ring. So the newer technique for probably some of you is that flick. And we want to just catch one string if possible. And the way I do that is I run my thumb across the top of the wood like this. And it's sort of like an upward swoop. Can you see that? So you want to break this technique into its component parts. And let's just start with this. Coming from the elbow, like this. And just do this over and over and over again until you're comfortable just catching that with one finger, one string. Okay? And then that would be the first beat. Second beat would be a flick. Flick. So it's so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you see, we don't have a like we're chopping here. We have a little bit of air in this strum pattern. Single note and then multiple notes. So it'll be, Desmond has a barrel in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the band. All right. Now here's another trick. Let's do a chuck with this strum pattern. So watch this. Thumb is hitting down on that G, flicking the G, touching the G, grazing the G, and then I'm going chuck. G, chuck, G, chuck. So it looks like this. Try it with me. So it'd be, Desmond has a barrel in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the band. Now let's try it without a chuck. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly says this as she takes him by the hand. Okay, so there's 2 tricks. Now what if we add, with this flick, we come back up. So it would be G string, down, up. And boy, your touch has to be super light because we're going super fast. I'm going to slow this down just a little bit. I'm going to slow it down to about 160 as we're learning this. So it's going to look like this. 2, 3, 4. I'm coming up with my index finger. Let's try it with me. Just making an F with my left hand. Let's try it. So beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try just a flick down, flick down, flick down, flick down, flick down. Now let's try a flick with a chuck. All right. Flick down, up, flick down, up, flick. Now flick down, flick with a chuck. And a flick. Just a flick down, 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 flick. Oh, that's a lot to work on.